All right, partial birth abortion. We've heard the legislation about it, but I don't think people can really understand what a partial birth abortion, I mean, there's debate on this. How can we have debate on this? So what's a partial birth abortion? Partial birth abortion is when the pregnancy is too far along to use an instrument like this to take the baby's arm, leg, or something off. Partial birth abortion, the baby is too well developed, and so they have to really just deliver the baby intact. So they'll open up the cervix, they dilate the cervix, but they have to deliver the baby feet first. Because for some crazy reason, if you deliver the baby feet first, and then abdomen, and then chest, and then arms, and then kill the baby, well, then that's okay. But if the baby gets out and takes a breath, well, we might have an issue with that. So they'll use the ultrasound, and they will guide this instrument up there into the inside. And when they do that, they'll guide it up so that they can grab a foot. And I'm not going to show any baby blood or parts, but this is just a plastic doll to understand. And a foot is delivered. And then once the one foot is delivered, the second foot is delivered. And then the baby is guided down. You rotate, you sweep, you deliver the left arm. Then you rotate and you sweep and you deliver the other arm. And you're holding the baby there in your hand. The baby's kicking, the baby is moving, the baby's alive. Just let the baby deliver, and then you can send that baby over to the nursery. This baby could be adopted, this baby could be loved. But at this point, the next step is you take an instrument like this called a curved Mayo scissor. The scissor is then placed up to the base of the skull, the foramen magnum, and it's placed up into the skull, and it's opened up. And then a suction tubing, just like the one that crushed the steel can, is then placed up into the skull, up into the brain, and the baby is killed. And once the baby is killed, the baby is delivered, and the abortionist says, wow, what a great job I did. They should be ashamed of themselves. That is the definition of deplorable.